planning a surprise birthday party. Ethan, we have to do something big for Jake's birthday this year.
Oh, what are you thinking? A dinner? A small get-together?
Nope. I want to throw him a surprise party.
Now that sounds like fun. Do you think we can actually pull it off?
Of course, but we have to plan it carefully.
All right. First things first. Where are we doing this?
I was thinking at his house. It's big, and he wouldn't suspect anything.
That's bold. But how do we get him out of the house?
Easy, I'll ask him to go on a fake dinner with me. Meanwhile, you and the others set up.
Smart. What about the guest list?
I'll make a list. Obviously, close friends and family.
Do we invite his weird cousin who tells bad jokes?
Maybe, as long as he doesn't ruin the surprise.
Okay, venue, Jake's house. Guest list, around 20 people?
Yeah, that sounds perfect. Not too big, not too small.
Next, decorations.
We should get balloons, streamers, and a big "Happy Birthday" sign.
And one of those party poppers for dramatic effect.
Absolutely. Now, food. What should we get?
Jake loves pizza. Maybe we order a bunch of different kinds?
And we should definitely have cake.
What kind? Chocolate? Vanilla? Rainbow?
Chocolate, obviously.
Got it. Oh, and we need music.
Yes, we should make a playlist with all his favorite songs.
And maybe a few embarrassing ones from our childhood.
He'll love that. Okay, now, gifts.
What do we get him?
He's been talking about a new gaming headset.
Perfect. We can all chip in and get him a really nice one.
That would be awesome. He'll be so happy.
So we have venue, guest list, decorations, food, music, and gifts.
We're almost done.
What about the actual surprise?
Here's the plan. When I bring Jake back home, you all hide.
And then,
When he walks in, surprise.
oh, this is going to be epic. Wait, when is his birthday again?
Next Saturday. We don't have much time.
Okay, so we need to buy everything by Friday.
I'll start a group chat for the guests.
And I'll handle the decorations.
Ethan, I seriously couldn't do this without you.
I know, but I'll take my payment in pizza.
Deal.
All right, let's get to work. Okay, everyone's hiding. You sure Jake isn't suspicious?
Nope. He thinks we're just out for dinner.
Good, we're all ready.
Shish. He's coming.
Huh? Why are the lights off?
Surprise.
What? No way.
Happy birthday, Jake.
Did we get you?
You totally did. This is amazing.
We planned this for weeks.
Pizza, cake, decorations. Wow, you guys went all out.
And we even invited your weird cousin.
Oh no.
Let's party.
Time to celebrate.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.